If you're thinking of switching to an electric vehicle, you also need to be thinking about what comes next: installing your EV charger the right way. Welcome to the channel. My name is Sonduren, and I'm going to talk to you about EV charging at home and the steps that you should be taking to ensure you keep your new EV car, house, and family safe. Imagine waking up to the smell of smoke, your dream car, and the garage, it's all on fire. This is what can happen if your EV charger isn't certified or is improperly installed. It's not just about protecting your investment, it's about keeping your home and family safe from electrical fires. Don't follow a smart purchase with a terrible choice. The hardware to charge your EV is just as important as the car itself. Always hire a licensed electrical contractor or LEC to install your EV charger. Why? Because they know the drill. They will get the necessary electrical safety authority permit and ensure everything is up to code. This is a non-negotiable for your safety, and it shocks me how many people treat their EV charging at home as a complete afterthought. Need more info on this? Visit esasafe.com/EV. It's the go-to place for all you need to know about safe EV charger installation in Ontario. Here's something you might not know. When you hire someone in Ontario to do any electrical work, including EV charger installation, it needs to be done by a licensed electrical contractor with an ESA license number. It's the law. Skirting around this isn't just risky, it's illegal. In addition, licensed electrical contractors are insured. Trying to save a few bucks by purchasing an uncertified charger or skipping a proper installation, this can lead to disastrous consequences, not just for your car, but your entire home and, what's most precious, your family. EVs are powerful, and so is their need for electricity. So before installation, you must ensure your electrical panel can handle the extra load. Sometimes you'll need an upgrade. And who can tell you this? A licensed electrical contractor. Last but not least, make sure your EV charging system has an approved Canadian certification mark from a recognized agency. This isn't just a sticker, it's your assurance of safety and compliance. So remember, smart EV ownership goes beyond just buying the car. It extends to how you charge it every day. Hire a professional, get that ESA permit, and charge your car with the peace of mind knowing you've made the right choices. Stay safe and charge smart. I always tell people life is short. Why make a poor decision and take an unnecessary risk after you've already made a great decision to invest in an EV? Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, or you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Peace.